Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add name bar titles in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would need is the Essential Graphics panel, which is this one. So if you can find this in your workspace, you can just go into Windows and make sure that you check the Essential Graphics right here so that you can find it here on your workspace. And now that you have found the Essential Graphics, you want to go into Browse, and then you would have the bunch of templates right here that is available for you to use in Premiere Pro. And you might also have other stock templates right here from Premiere Pro, not just this one right here that is available offline. So you can, if you're online, then you can also avail those free templates. And then we'll just be using this one as an example. So if you've noticed, you have the T caution sign right there at the top of those templates. So that would mean that you don't have the fonts that is associated to the template. So, but in any case, it is fine. We'll just use that and right there. And then as you can see, you would have this right here. So if in order for you to resolve this, you would need to right click on your footage and click on sync missing fonts, and then you would be able to do that right so. So that is how you fix it. But in my case, I don't want to fix it, so I'm just gonna stick with this one. So from here, you can just go and edit the title right here. All you have to do is click on the title, and all you have to do is type in what you want. So let's say sample title, and when we play it, it will now look like this. And now, just like that, we now have a name bar title right here in Premiere Pro, just as easy as that with the Essential Graphics right here. And take note that not all the templates right here are lightweight. So some of them, when you use it, you would need to render it first before you can play it back right here. So if you have some fancy effects on that template, then you would need to render it first by hitting enter. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.